Hello everyone! Today I'm here to show you my laundry makeover. I'm super excited. I really hope that you like it. Except for the hardware that is my project, all the rest is from IKEA, so it's really easy to reproduce. So let's start seeing how was the laundry room before. And now, despite it's a small room, I managed to find a lot of storage space.
When you enter the laundry, on the right, first you find the place for the brooms, and then you find a hook where we used to put some clothes for the garden. In front of the clothes for the garden, there is a magnetic rack where we put some tools or something magnetic in general. Then there is the shelf unit. I use some boxes to storage. I have a stool to reach the upper part. Then I have one layer of shoes. And the middle shelf, I try to leave it as empty as possible to have the illusion to have more space.
P.S. I really suggest you to anchor the shelf unit in the wall and in the middle for stability reasons.
In front of the shelf unit, there is the drying clothing rack mounted to the wall. We DIY'd it with a normal clothing rack. It is foldable in order to save some space in the room. On the opposite side of the door is the sink unit, and the wall is painted in black in order to have a sort of blackboard. I decided to use the black color and the gray color to match with the bathroom.
One advice, if you have a small window like mine, I suggest you to paint the wall with a black color and leave the frame with the light one in order to give the idea that it's a little bit bigger.
I used a kitchen jar and an ice cream spoon to put my detergent. Under the sink unit, there is the washing machine. On the right, there is one drawer where I put the dirty clothes, and on the left, I put all the detergents. Above the sink, there are some shelves units. I'm sorry for the light. The first one, I wrote clothespins. On the other side, I put one wooden rack with a lot of socks. Completely on the right, I have my collection of shoes. First, there is one rack. Then there are two boxes, and then there is the last rack. These boxes comes from a cheap shelf unit.
Thank you so much for following the 7 Days channel. If you're new, I really suggest you to subscribe, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Bye bye!
And if we turn on the left, you go to heaven.